Are you ready to capture your next adventure in stunning detail? Choosing the right travel camera can make all the difference in preserving your cherished memories. With a plethora of options available, from compact point-and-shoots to high-end DSLRs, finding the perfect fit for your needs can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best travel cameras on the market, highlighting their unique features, strengths, and ideal use cases. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a casual traveler wanting to document your journey, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and discover the camera that will elevate your travel experiences. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Ricoh GR III digital compact camera. The Ricoh GR III HDF, the latest addition to a respected lineup of compact cameras that truly prioritize your photographic experience. With its large, advanced photosystem Type-C sensor and a 28mm equivalent lens, this camera is designed with you in mind, helping to capture life's moments with striking clarity and detail. While the GR3 HDF closely resembles its predecessor, it features a unique highlight diffusion filter that replaces the traditional built-in neutral density filter. This innovative addition allows you to infuse your images with a dreamy quality, instantly elevating your creative potential. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or capturing subtle evening scenes, this camera adapts to your artistic vision. You might appreciate the GR3 HDF's compactness, making it incredibly easy to carry with you wherever you go. Though it may lack some advanced features found in larger cameras, it fosters a delightful shooting experience that resonates with a loyal community of photographers. The powerful combination of portability and performance means you can capture those fleeting moments without the burden of bulky equipment. However, it's important to note that availability may be an issue, as many retailers are currently out of stock. If you're keen on exploring the capabilities of the Ricoh GR3 HDF, be prepared to stay alert for restocks or consider ordering through specialized channels. Your journey into the world of expressive photography awaits. You just need the right tool to accompany you. At number 4, Nikon ZF Full-Frame Mirrorless Camera. The Nikon ZF is a full-frame camera that combines classic aesthetics with modern technology, featuring a 24-megapixel full-frame sensor that stands up to its competitors. If you appreciate the charm of vintage design, you'll find the camera's angular 80s-inspired body appealing. While it may not be the most ergonomic option for prolonged shooting sessions, its compact size is an advantage, especially for travel enthusiasts like you. This smaller design means it can easily fit in your bag without adding bulk, making it an excellent choice for capturing memories while on the go. Whether you're strolling through a picturesque city, hiking in nature, or attending an event, the Nikon ZF can accompany you, balancing nostalgia and functionality seamlessly. Although you might notice the camera's grip isn't as pronounced as in some other models, many photographers find it easy to adapt their techniques for comfortable shooting. Plus, its lightweight construction can make it easier to carry around, reducing fatigue during long photography outings. Consider the Nikon ZF not just as a camera, but as an experience, a tool that invites you to explore your creativity while embracing a timeless look. If you're ready to elevate your photography journey, the Nikon ZF could be the stylish, practical companion you've been searching for. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate hobbyist, this camera encourages you to capture the world around you while enjoying the delightful aesthetic of the past. Number 3, we have the GoPro Hero 12 Black Waterproof Action Camera. If you're in search of the ultimate action camera, the GoPro Hero 12 Black is here to elevate your experience. Known for its unparalleled performance, this model takes action photography to new heights. Capture your adventures in stunning clarity with video resolution options up to 5.3K at 60 frames per second, or switch to 4K at an impressive 120 frames per second for smoother footage. For those moments where you want to capture every detail in slow motion, the Hero 12 Black allows you to shoot in 2.7K at a remarkable 240 frames per second, ensuring that you can relive your most thrilling experiences at a mesmerizing pace. Whether it's surfing, biking, or a simple day out, you'll appreciate the versatility this camera offers. One of the standout features is the dual display, both front and back screens. With this innovative design, capturing yourself mid-action has never been easier. It's ideal for vloggers or anyone who wants to share their adventures while ensuring they're perfectly framed. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is not just a camera. It's your trusted companion for documenting life's most exhilarating moments. With its robust features and user-friendly interface, it can inspire you to push your limits and capture your journey like never before. Embrace your adventurous spirit and start recording your story in stunning detail with the GoPro Hero 12 Black. You'll be amazed at what you can create. At number 2, Sony RX100 VII Premium Compact Camera. If you're searching for a compact camera that truly elevates your photography beyond your smartphone, consider investing in a premium point-and-shoot. The Sony RX100 VII stands out in this category with its superior performance and user-friendly features. Equipped with a stacked 1-inch sensor, it captures stunning images with vibrant detail and impressive clarity. Its sleek, lightweight design makes it easy to carry along on any adventure, while the versatile built-in lens offers a wide zoom range that lets you effortlessly transition from expansive landscapes to close-ups of distant subjects. However, it's important to remember that compact cameras like the RX100 VII often come with limited battery life. To ensure you don't miss capturing those special moments, consider bringing a spare battery or a portable charger with you. If you lean towards a more minimalist approach, the Ricoh GR III may be the perfect alternative. Although it lacks a viewfinder and utilizes a fixed focal length lens, this camera boasts a larger advanced photosystem Type-C sensor that excels in producing stunning image quality, particularly in low-light situations. Its straightforward design appeals to those who prefer simplicity without sacrificing performance. Ultimately, whether you choose the versatile RX100 VII or the streamlined GR3, both cameras will enhance your photographic journey and help you capture memories in a way that your smartphone simply can't match. And finally, the number 1 of our list, OM System Olympus OM5 camera. If you're in search of the ideal digital camera for your travels, consider the OM System OM5. Designed with the Micro Four Thirds system, this camera strikes an impressive balance between portability, durability, and exceptional image quality, all essential for capturing your adventures. You'll appreciate the OM5's compact design, making it easier to carry without compromising on functionality. While it may not boast the ruggedness of more high-end models like the OM1 Mark II, its weather-sealed body ensures you can shoot in various conditions. The standout feature you'll love is the 5-axis in-body image stabilization, which allows you to take steady shots, even at slower shutter speeds, ideal for capturing stunning landscapes or vibrant street scenes. Although the OM5's battery life isn't the longest, you can easily address this with a spare battery for extended excursions. Its compatibility with a wide range of portable Micro Four Thirds lenses means you won't have to lug around heavy equipment, keeping your travel light and efficient. If you're looking to save some money, consider the older Olympus OM-D EM5 Mark III as a budget-friendly option. While it shares a similar design and functionality, it employs an older processor and lacks some modern features like the Live Neutral Density mode. The OM5, however, offers remarkable value, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their travel photography experience. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which travel camera you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.